"No, I won't," agreed Tom's mum. "You'll just have to go out and play with the others, Tom." "Thanks, Ma," said Tom, and he scrambled up onto her shoulder and kissed her. Now that I've finished reading the book, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you are struggling, you can replay the video and listen to me read it again, or down here on Oxford Owl you have the play button where they will read it for you. This week on guided reading we are going to be doing our word search again. To access the word search, all you need to do is click on the link that I provide to you and it will come up looking like this. To enter the word search, just enter your name and press start. Once that has loaded, it will look like this, and all you need to do is press the start button. You need to find all of these words in your word search, and don't forget to send me a picture when you are finished so I can see your lovely work. Enjoy and have fun.